Where did he go? Oh, he's right there. Hold on. If you can't see him, I'll zoom in. Like, do you guys see that very large wooden pole? And I don't know, like, if you can see it, but there's like a line going like there. See it? He's on the line. Oh, and now he's gone. Whoa. Hi. 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 Okay. So, I couldn't film it, but he came to my kitchen window, like this one, and knocked with his beak. He knocked with his beak. Like what? So smart. I'm keeping a distance because I want to, like, make him do his own thing. Come. Okay, now where is he going now? He's going to his home. Okay, well. Should I stay here because like it's so cold in here? Oh my god, it's like 2 degrees, bro. Whatever, I'll stay and wait for him to come back. Oh my god. While I'm waiting, I want to tell you. Oh my, no, I can't. Okay, tell you a fun fact about Glor. He since I have school, I didn't see him on Monday because he like comes at 9:30ish, but now he changed his timetable to come at like 8:15. Or like, what's his time? It's 7:25. Or like, for school, my stuff says like 9. So he changed his timetables just for me. Wow. Deja vu. Wait, how did you just... Rice. Hello, buddy. Eat the rice. Yeah. Here. Yeah, there you go. I told you. Eat the rice. Okay, honey, come. Yep. So they came. Hey, Magpie. Hold on, just. Man, his wings look so cool. I'm gonna teach him how to knock. So knock. Hey, knock. Okay, fine. There you go. I think he's gonna fly away. Yep. I'm just gonna watch his Indian mine now. Look at that. They always fought him because I feel what the hell. The Indian mine is in wise, but the magpie is. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm gonna see if he left. Why is Glor stay? What? Hello? Okay, oh my, you heard. Well, gentle please. Oh my god. Oh, there's 2 now. Why they do? Wonder Woman! Da, 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 da. Magpie gone. And now the Magpie's gone and now you here. Up, 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 up. Where'd he go? Oh my. Alright, well, you guys want to know, Glor and Nyx are my Magpie friends. Glor male, Nyx female. If you want to know how I tell them apart, well, Nyx is female, which means she has a gray back. Well, every Magpie does. But it's coming. And I don't think you guys noticed. Maybe I wasn't filming. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, wait, hold on. Coming on the mountain. She comes. Okay, come. Good job. Magpie. Come here. Look how good that looks. Oh, wait, he cleaned his beak. Alright. I see how it is. I am not clean. Come. Hold on. I'm here waiting patiently. Okay. Okay, here's take 2 on teach how to walk. Here, knock. Knock. Forward. Forward. Knock. 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 Okay, fine. Go. I'm trying to teach him to knock like he did before. He's sending it flying. Oh my. Wait. Well, he cleaned his beak for a fact. Go back over. Why did he always go to? Oh my god! I almost lost my balance. Holy. Well, he left. So probably Glor left too. Oh, it's right there. Glor, I'll let you be. Right there. Fly away. I think it's gonna fly away. And I don't think I filmed it, but Glor came here with his noisy miner companion, I guess, even though he kind of hates him. And he came here, and they both flew together here. Like, what? How did they do that? Glor's right there. Want to see Glor? Damn, we're recording for 10 minutes now. Dang. I don't know what Glor's doing, but he's probably building his nest. He has neck problem, I think. No, that's just fair. Anyway, look at these clouds. Look at the clouds. Oh, there goes Glor. And so one of where Glor is, do you see that long pole? He went all the way up to there. No. And look, Rainbow Rocket, oh my god. See it? It's right there. Right there. Well, that's good, but whatever. I don't understand. He was there earlier, and then somehow he flew. I think he flew like that, and then came here. That's weird. Wait, I have an idea. Hold on. If you don't know, if you haven't seen my other videos, or this is your first one, Glor's nest is over there. Like very in there. Oh my god, I can see him in right now. Oh, it's coming. Oh my god, the sun's in the way, Glor. The sun's blocking you. I'm kind of scared. Glor. Glory. Oh, Moth. Moth. Why is it not going? He's all fluffed up. He's so tired. Hold on, Glor. Or next. I don't know, I'm not sure. Hold on. Oh! You're there. How you doing? Okay. He's so cute. Let me zoom into that for you. Sorry. Yes, I have touched him. Well, not really, like his beak, cause he keeps on grabbing my fingers when he's trying to. Oh my god! I can't talk right now. It's so cold. I'm wearing a 2 centimeter thick shirt. I'm a jumper, but like, look at how cute he is. Like, if a piece of bread goes flying, he just waddles to it and drops everything in his beak. What are you doing? Wait, pretty sure it's nesting season for him. So, okay, what the hell is going on here? Why is there 2? I want to find some sticks for him. Glor, stick. Because you need stick for nest. Why was that like so country? Oh my god. Glor. Stick. Why? Oh my god, Nix is here. What? How are you here? Bro. What about Glor? And Nix is eating the rice. Good. I'll just try to I want to make a magpie sound so that she can make it. This is so beautiful. Wait, hold on, Nix. Hold on, Nix. She's following me like Glor does. Oh. Oh, the action theory. Oh, why is this so blurry? Hold on. Is this blurry for you? Yes. Alright. So I don't know where Glor and Nix went. I don't know. They just left and no trace. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, I hope they will come back. Well, they probably will. And so stay tuned. cause yeah. And by the way, if you wait, what am I talking? Okay, whatever. Oh. I saw Glor going into his nest. It's not this tree. It's like over there and there. Like Glor's favorite spots to like hang out when I get given food and then just go west. I don't know why. Don't ask me. Is either there in a long pole, that long pole, or in his nest, which I find interesting. And I did not even see Nyx coming. And if you don't know Nyx, she's the female of my magpies. No way. They dropped a feather for me. What? They dropped a feather for me. Holy crap. Oh, they dropped a feather for me. That's so cute. This is Nyx's. This is Nyx's feather. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. Why am I so happy? I think Glor is coming. I don't think it's coming. But I got his feather. Well, I think she gifted me his feather. Hey, look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna put this in my case of feathers. I already have one already, so let's add this one to the collection. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, that was like so good fun. What's their head? Oh. No, stay. Yes. Okay. What fuck feathers are going on? Okay. I do not think Glor and Nyx coming back. If they do, I'll keep you updated, but I don't know. I don't think so. And I don't know what Nyx is. Or Glor. And the reason why I named him Glor, which is my male magpie friend, is that it's short for Glor-E, just Glor. If you just remove the L-Y, Glor, so that's why. And Nyx, I don't really know. It just was the first thing that came up to my mind, and I was like, I need like a short name, so that was a good one. Okay, but a Campbell grammar student was hearing me talking to you guys, but oh yeah. Hey, where the hell's Glor? Glor. And I have a question, guys. Does anyone actually blow these? Like, who does actually blow these? I'm just curious. Like, who blows these? Oh no. Okay, I guess I could blow it for in like 50 years. I haven't even done it. Why is it going? Okay. Una, deux. Okay, it's not going, but yeah. I wish for you to subscribe to my channel. That's what I wish for. Because I've been swimming for 20 minutes in the cold with purple hands, and I don't know what to do. Because Glor needs another coming. To be fair, like, Glor's like a maximum visit. Like, one time, I filmed it all. If you want to go check it out. He came back and forth. Like, he just came there, shooped in, came, shooped. I don't know why it's so important, but I don't want it to just stay here, but made a feed the baby, so yeah. But what I say is the most important thing is that I got a feather from Nyx. My God, why is it so hard? There. I'm gonna put it in my box of feathers on it. I only have one feather right now, which is a rainbow locky inner wing feather. Now I have Glor's feather. Oh my God, Glor's feather. Boop. And that name should be changed. Okay, whatever. Guess who's back? Back again. You are back. Come here right now. What's wrong? By the way, thank you for the feather, Glor. We really appreciate it. Oh my God, both a winch car driver. Okay, here you go. He kind of. Oh, he's so curious. Come closer. Come. Yeah? Okay, that's fine. Here you go. Okay, what the? He's gone over there. Okay, but you ate my morning alarm. You dropped so much feather. And my backyard is filled with these like leaves, like the dried leaves, but like they lost all of their nutritions from rainbow lowercase. Like they kept on eating it. Now it's brown, but all the others are green. I don't really know what's happening. I don't think this tree is gonna bloom. Maybe I think it'll like be blooming in summer, but not now. Alright, why does she come and then just leave? Why are you here? Whoa, bro. Why? Why? I think I see Glor. Yeah, no. Okay, like, I think a honey badger. Oh my God, we're not in America. Okay, I think oh my God, I think a waterbird or just a magpie came to the nest because it's quite big. I don't know what it is. And if you're still watching this far in, congratulations. Because, like, you are a real one. You are a real one. Boy. Calm down. Yeah, well, I can do it too. Yeah, exactly. Don't play with me, boy. Okay. I want this channel to be family friendly, man. I'm gonna lose it. He's up there. Bye-bye. See you never. I don't even know what Glor's Index is. Like, if you're still watching this, comment Glor in the comments, because it's been 25 minutes, so I don't think anyone would watch into this point, but well, you'll probably click off now, but Glor's and Nyx is still gonna come. We're just nesting the babies. Oh, wait, Loki, oh my god. Yeah, I'm wasting too much time on this. I have school. Well, I think that's going to be it, and I'm gonna outro with birds. Well, unfortunately I couldn't outro with Glor next because Red are coming. But thank you for watching. If I find any, I'll post it now. But until then, make sure you like, subscribe, do all of the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, actually, not until then, because can you comment what bird I should draw next? Because I'm one out of this. I've only posted like 300 more videos, I think. So please, like, anything. I don't really care. But maybe some birds would do best. But let's outro it with him. So thank you guys so much for watching my day in the morning, I guess, of Glor and Nyx and the Noisy Runners. So thank you guys so much. I'm really surprised that you even watched up until this point, but thank you. Anyway, hope you. And could you guys please like, because or subscribe, because it really helps me out. So anyway, thank you guys, and hope you guys have a great day. Oh, no, this is not the end of it. This is not the end of it. He is back. Who is back? We are back again. Boy, oh no. Come. Wait for you. Wait. Like y'all. Okay, hold on, come. Yo, Nyx. Yeah. Nyxy. Nyx. Our Glor next. Come. Bro, come down. Why are you so fluffy? Who are you trying to scare away, Glor? You're not trying to scare away anyone, buddy. Like, you're not trying to scare anyone. See? I told you. How do you finish that so quick? Hold on. You waiting? Yeah. Go. Go back, Glor. Right, Glor. Done. Fortunately, you can't come here. Okay, Glor? I'm gonna teach you. Oh, yes! Good job. Oh boy. No, you're boy. Are you okay? Oh my god. Okay, I guess I should give you a smoke music. Oh. So cute. Yep, pose for the camera. It was the cutest thing ever. Yep. Oh, you're so gentle. This has no zoom on it, by the way. Ah! Why are you so... What? Oh my god, you're the most dirtiest eater I've ever met. Just put it there. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Bird coming up. Sorry for chasing you, but all of the cars in the line are coming. Come. Every person in this traffic line is following me. Okay, here. Bye-bye, Glor. Have a nice rest of your day. I don't know what he's doing over there, but bye-bye, Glor. Choo-choo. How did blow like I immediately know. He has like skills, but he like slash put red detect on. Like see, if I put it that up, he like reading. Okay. Bye Glor. And hello anyone. I think Glor's gonna go now. Are you gone? Are you gone? Yeah. Bye. We're gonna see him rise, I think. Oh, he's right there. Over there. We can see him! I think. Can you guys see him? He's on like the long pole. He's like in the bushes. I don't think you guys can see him. Yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. Oh, I just saw him fly away. What am I stepping on? Oh, what a bird. I absolutely love that, man. He just came in and like, so cool. Yeah, so I was not supposed to be filming that, but who cares? Now I think I know, like, there's like this unit place, and like, do you guys see those red bricks? Those bricks right there? His nest is in there, all the way there. So, I mean, maybe they move here, honestly. I don't know, but it's not that far away. Like, I put the camera so close to him. It was so funny. It was like, here. So funny. Anyway, if he comes back, I'll just put on CapCut and put on the messages together. And yes. What's the time? 8:02. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I really have to go. Like, I have school in like an hour, so I'm gonna have you guys go. Like I haven't even eaten breakfast type. So yeah, I'm sorry if you left early. Because the latest one was the best part. Oh my god, I'm so much distracted, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. If you want to see more, if you guys enjoyed and you want to see more of Glor next or just birds, go in my longer form videos because you will find it so much more. Anyway, see ya. Rublev. Okay, bye.